look at some graphs that demonstrate non-uniform motion. So remember, uniform motion means your speed is constant, it's not changing. Non-uniform motion means the speed is changing. So one way to show this is a curve in a distance-time graph. So whenever you see a curve, either curving up or down, that's an example of acceleration, which is non-uniform motion. When we look at this, well, this is a speed time graph. I know it's speed because there's a V there. Well, let's say you have like 5, 10, 15, 20. Well, because the speed is going up, that means the speed is changing. So this is an example of non-uniform motion. Here's a third example. Well, for this little piece, that's uniform motion because it's a straight line. For this little piece, that's uniform motion because it's a straight line. Same thing with this one. However, my speed has changed once, twice, 3 times. So when I look at the whole graph, this is an example of non-uniform motion. Our last graph is a distance time graph again, but it's a curve going down. So in this case here, my speed is changing, and in fact, it's slowing down. So in the last little video, you saw that the slope is equal to the speed. So if I go back to my first one, I have if I try to find the slope right at this point, I have a low slope, so that means my speed is low. Here, my slope has increased a little bit, so my speed has increased. If I go near the end, my slope is very steep, so this first graph shows me speeding up. In this graph, let's think about what's happening. Am I speeding up or am I slowing down? So, in the beginning, it's very, very steep, so I'm going very fast. In the middle, if I look at the slope of the ruler, it's medium, so I've slowed down a little bit. And near the end, it's almost flat. My slope is almost 0, so I'm actually slowing down. So when it curves up, I'm speeding up. When it curves flatter, it means I'm slowing down.